Welcome to the presentation for the Medical Device ISO 13485 Management Review Toolkit. Managing quality in the medical device industry is complex, but the right tools make a world of difference. Today, we will explore how this professional kit from Management Systems International helps you streamline your compliance journey for only $149. We are proud to introduce what is perhaps our most anticipated system yet. The management review is a vital requirement in any international standard. It brings together every key requirement and all the necessary data. This toolkit ensures you can deliver a highly professional presentation that meets the rigorous demands of the medical device sector. Why does the management review matter so much? It is the cornerstone of your quality management system. It ensures leadership oversight, fosters continuous improvement, and maintains regulatory compliance. By synthesizing data and requirements, it provides a clear roadmap for your medical device operations, keeping your team aligned with the highest standards of safety and quality. This system is designed to do three things: eliminate guesswork, drive growth, and support certification. We have simplified the process of presenting a professional review so you can focus on results. These systems facilitate an iterative approach to certification, helping your quality management system improve and expand naturally over time as your business grows. ISO 13485 is the global benchmark for medical device quality. Our toolkit is purpose-built to align with every key clause of this standard. It provides your team with a structured, repeatable process. This not only satisfies auditors, but also drives real operational improvements that lead to safer products and more efficient internal workflows. Starting your certification journey can feel overwhelming, but this system allows you to take it step by step. Each review cycle builds on the previous one, creating a continuous improvement loop. If your company is already ISO 9001 certified, we offer a combo version to help you create a seamlessly integrated management approach. Consistency is key to a professional review. This system guides your team through every single stage, from gathering the right data inputs to delivering a polished, audit-ready presentation. You can move forward with confidence, knowing that both your leadership team and regulatory bodies can trust the integrity and clarity of the information you provide. This toolkit is tailored specifically for the unique regulatory demands of the medical device industry. Whether you're pursuing initial certification or maintaining an existing system, our quality assurance framework helps you meet challenges with confidence. It is designed to handle the high-stakes environment of medical manufacturing, where consistency is absolutely mandatory. Who should use this kit? Quality managers will find a proven framework for compliant reviews, while executive leadership can easily fulfill their oversight obligations with organized data. Any medical device manufacturer seeking to maintain ISO 3485 certification will find this an indispensable resource for keeping their quality management systems on track and audit-ready. Ready to elevate your quality management? The toolkit is available now for $149. Take the guesswork out of your process and move towards certification with total confidence. Visit our website to add it to your cart today, or ask about our combo version if you're already ISO 9001 certified. https://member.msi-international.com/products/medical-device-ISO-13485.